Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to reboot a Honda CR-V infotainment screen just like this one right here. This will be an easy tutorial with a few simple steps, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right over here, this is a 2017 Honda CR-V EXL trim level, and this is the infotainment screen. And if you're experiencing any sort of difficulties, if it's lagging or if it's not working properly, you can reboot this really easily in a matter of a few seconds. I'm going to show you and tell you how to do it. So essentially, as you can see, right now it's powered off, like the audio is powered off. But basically, whether I believe you can do it even if the audio is on, especially if, let's say your audio is on and you can't change it, you can't control the screen, this will definitely work. So even if it's laggy or if it's not working at all, really easy to do. And I believe, like I said, it works when the audio is powered off or if the audio is also on as well. There's a power button right over here, and this power button controls essentially the audio, whether it goes on or off. So you can see it says volume when you turn it, and it says power for the audio. So when you push it, it turns the audio on or off. And all that you have to do is press and hold this button down for about 7 seconds. So you want to press and hold down this button over here for about 7 seconds. And what will happen is, you're going to see a screen pop up over here, and it's going to say, would you like to reboot? And there's going to be yes or no. You're going to obviously click yes, and it will reboot the infotainment screen, and it'll only take a few seconds to reboot. Now, if it's lagging so hard that there's no pop-up screen even popping up, as long as you hold this button down for, I don't know, I'd say like maybe 20 seconds to 30 seconds from what I remember reading, it should just automatically reboot. So if you continue holding this down, it should take it as the fact that you want to yes. You want to select yes. Even if there's no pop-up, if you just hold this down, it should sort of formulate it so that it's like you're selecting yes. So basically, hold this down for 7 seconds and select yes when it asks you to reboot. And if you can't get that pop-up screen asking you to reboot, just hold this down for like 20 to 30, even 40 seconds or a minute, and it should just reboot from what I was reading. I've never tried that second method of just holding this down for longer, but from what I was reading, it should reboot, and that kind of makes sense as well. So yeah, that's basically it. That is how to reboot a Honda CR-V infotainment screen. An easy tutorial with super simple steps. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.